Let's do some fast run and see whether it catches any wind noise. I'm at 80 now. I'm at 90. I don't know whether you can hear my voice. Almost 100. I don't know whether my voice is clear or not. Hope it is clear. Let me go back home and check whether the voice was clear or not. Bye bye.
Hello, hi and namaskara. Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be mounting my GoPro on my Racer Base helmet. It's an off-road helmet. I'll mount my GoPro with this Blu Armor Mount. Let's see how it will be. So it's something like this. I'm planning to put this on here. I would like to share few learnings after seeing many videos on YouTube. While purchasing a mic, you must buy this mic with 2 lines, not the 3 lines. So this can fit directly to GoPro and it works fine. Also this kind of dead cat, this will avoid wind blast, and it's a new product. So this product has been referred by Bulu Biker in one of his video. So I bought this. Let's see how it is. One more useful thing which I saw in Oggyf's video, it's a gum so that we can play something like this. It is going to be waterproof. This is upwards. Make sure you wipe it. There shouldn't be any dust. And now it is ready to fix. That is it. It looks something like this. I'll use this tape which these carpenters will use, put on top of it and remove it tomorrow so it get fixed properly. So it's time to open the stickers. So I just added these so that it fits well and get some good grip. Overall look of this is very good. Doesn't look odd. As I tried earlier with M-Seal, looks very messy, but this time it looks very nice. I would like to thank Bulu Biker for recommending this product. Very nice. So I have already added the mic. So you need few attachments like this. One J mount. I have added few more so that position comes a bit high. Added one more mount like this. Just fix it, and one more on top of that. This will get fixed like this. And camera will be fixed on this like this. The mount is ready now. One J mount and 2 extenders. It should go like this. It's done. So this is how my setup is. Now it's time to ride and see how the view is.
Hope the audio is clear. So this is basically a test. Right now I am at 40 speed and I can feel there is a lot of wind today. So I don't know whether it's catching too much of wind noise. Basically I am checking the voice clarity. Now I am at 40 speed. So let's do some fast run and see whether it catches any wind noise. So I'm at 80 now. I can feel there is a lot of wind noise in my helmet. I don't know whether it is getting captured in GoPro or not. I'm at 90. I don't know whether you can hear my voice. Almost 100. I don't know whether my voice is clear or not. Hope it is clear. Let me go back home and check whether the voice was clear or not. After the service I am facing a problem. In lower gears I feel like the bike will stop. The bike will switch off. So that's why I am going to the Motorrad House to meet Manju. So let me explain the problem. Hope he'll have some solution. So this is Haramau flyover. So you must take left here. So this is Sangeeta and all. There is Purvika mobiles here. So you must take this left. You can see this easy bazaar. You can see this easy bazaar. So this left you have to take. And the first right Some work is going on, I guess. So there it is. I guess I have to wait for some time.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe.